I'm Eli Turner, project geologist at Origin Royalties. I'll be making some forward-looking statements in this presentation. Origin are pleased to announce the acquisition of the Cuprite epithermal gold-silver property, which was identified by our generative exploration program in Western Nevada in partnership with Altius Minerals. The property was recently acquired through staking and is available for option. Cuprite spans approximately 2,000 hectares and is located 215 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas, Nevada, within the highly productive Walker Lane trend of epithermal gold and silver deposits. The property is 14 kilometers south of the historic high-grade Goldfield district, which has a gold endowment of about 5 million ounces, and 80 kilometers northwest of AngloGold Ashanti's Silicon discovery, with a recently released gold resource of 3.37 million ounces, where Origin holds a 1% NSR. Cuprite is a virtually untested district-scale play where intense steam-heated hydrothermal alteration outcrops over an area of at least 20 square kilometers. The alteration cell is divided into western and eastern centers that are separated by US Highway 95. The eastern cell is the focus of Origin's exploration efforts. Similar steam-heated alteration cells that are buried in gold overlie epithermal gold deposits elsewhere in Nevada, most notably at AngloGold Ashanti's Silicon discovery nearby. Alteration at Cuprite is located along the margin of the late Miocene Stonewall Mountain caldera of the southwestern Nevada volcanic field, which is likely a significant structural control. Cuprite shares a number of similarities with silicon. They both exhibit extensive, gold-poor, steam-heated alteration zones at the surface with anomalous mercury. Both are associated with silicic calderas of the southwestern Nevada volcanic field, which are related to slab window volcanism. Both saw limited historic drilling, and at each property, it has been widely assumed the gold-poor alteration at surface reflects a gold-poor system at depth, which at Silicon has been proven to be untrue. The steam-heated alteration at Cuprite is very well characterized and consists of a residual silica core that zones outward into alunite and kaolinite. The areas containing silica and alunite constitute the most intense alteration, extend up to the southeastern edge of the mountain range, and likely continue undercover to the east and south. Anomalous mercury in soils and occurrences of mercury-bearing minerals coincide with the most intense alteration. These observations are indicative of a very strong hydrothermal system that was rich in metals and experienced boiling at depth, a process that precipitates gold and silver in epithermal systems. The eastern edge of the mountain range coincides with the margin of the Stonewall Mountain caldera, which is hidden beneath alluvial cover and constitutes a major structural zone that is favorable for focusing hydrothermal fluids. This is Origin's principal target. The structural zone has never been drilled and is located adjacent to the most intense alteration and mercury anomalism. We envision a model in which hydrothermal fluids may have risen along the caldera margin at depth, deposited gold and silver near to but below the surface, and generated a steam-heated cap above the gold mineralization as fluids continued to migrate up into the west. Cuprite is one of the largest alteration cells in the state of Nevada and represents a virtually untested, district-scale opportunity with remarkable blue sky potential. If you have questions, please contact me, Eli Turner, project geologist, Lawrence Pryor, Vice President of Exploration, or Patty Nickel, President and CEO of Origin. The full announcement on the Cuprite acquisition is available at our website at originroyalties.com.